This is Room Answers, and I'm Dr. Bookfear. I teach you how to control your joint pain so it doesn't control you. Today we're going to talk all about gout. What is gout? Gout is an inflammatory arthritis where there's uric acid crystals that have deposited into your joints and they're wreaking havoc, causing inflammation, joint swelling, joint pain. It comes and goes in flare-ups, so you may have times where you don't feel pain at all, and then boom, an attack comes, usually lasts days or weeks, and then it goes away. Now, how do those uric acid crystals get into your joints? Well, if you imagine you have a glass of water and you're pouring salt into that water and you're stirring, that salt is going to dissolve into the water until it reaches its saturation point. That's the point at which the salt will start to crystallize and go to the bottom of the glass. The same thing happens with uric acid in your blood. And that point in which it is saturated and will no longer dissolve is at 6.8. So if your uric acid is above 6.8, it will start to crystallize. And it loves to go to the joints, especially the toes, the foot, the ankle, the knees, the elbow, and really almost anywhere else. When it goes to the joints, it will cause that inflammation, intense pain, intense swelling, and will just really hurt. So that uric acid in the body, when it starts to crystallize, it's really junk. I cannot emphasize that enough. It's junk in your body, and we need to dissolve that to get rid of it. So there's two parts to gout treatment. The first part, of course, is treating the flare-up, treating that pain. And that's where you'll go to your doctor or you'll go to urgent care. They'll give you either colchicine or some high-dose ibuprofen, something like that. Sometimes even steroids, and it'll calm down the flare-up. But to me, that's not really the gout treatment. The real gout treatment is let's get that junk, those crystals, out of your joints and out of the body. And that's where drugs like allopurinol, Uloric, Krystexxa, things like that come in play. Those start to remove the uric acid out of your body so that you will never have a flare-up again. Let me repeat that. Never have a flare-up again. If you don't have crystals in those joints, you cannot have a flare-up. Now, these drugs don't work right away. They take several months, sometimes longer to work. But once those crystals are out, again, you will be gout-free and you will never have a flare-up again, no matter what you do, no matter what you eat. So, I suggest you find a rheumatologist, get your gout treated the right way. Don't just keep going to urgent care to get those flare-ups treated.